Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to take a look at some of the basics of how to monitor system performance on a Linux system. Monitoring system performance is a key task for system administrators. Let's go ahead and get started. Monitoring system performance is crucial for Linux systems. Using various tools and techniques, administrators can identify bottlenecks and ensure optimal operation. This guide covers some key tools and tips for effective performance monitoring. Linux provides several command line tools for real-time monitoring such as top, htop, vmstat, iostat, and sar. These tools help administrators monitor CPU, memory, and I/O usage, ensuring optimal system performance. For graphical system monitoring, consider tools like Stacer or NetData and Glances. Stacer optimizes and monitors system performance. NetData offers real-time monitoring with web dashboards. Glances provides a comprehensive overview of system metrics. Monitoring network performance is essential. Tools like iostat display bandwidth usage by host. Nload monitors traffic with graphical representations, and top provides a dynamic view of processes showing CPU and memory usage. Regularly reviewing system logs is crucial. Tools like journalctl, query, systemd, and journal logs, logswatch analyzes and reports on logs, and top provides a dynamic view of processes showing CPU and memory usage. To enhance system performance monitoring, set up alerts for metric thresholds, automate tasks with scripts, and keep tools updated and document performance baselines. In summary, monitoring system performance on Linux is crucial. Use command line utilities and graphical tools to gain insights and ensure stability. Regular monitoring and proactive maintenance enhance reliability and performance. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you a good head start to use tools on your Linux system to monitor performance. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.